according to them, and I felt relieved, but I don't want to put that pressure on the snake. So I do have the name right here and female if anyone's interested in seeing it. So, first day, really success. I'm glad I restocked on the show because I needed it. So, it's been moving, it's been grooving. Did we get another spider?
Yes. He bought this one when we walked in.
Uh-huh.
And that's the one you've seen him with. So we went and picked him up. So 2 spiders. Yay.
Yeah. Mom's like, yay.